Manila, and today we are going to make paper boxes. You can actually put things inside of these paper boxes. These are the materials you need: a pencil, glue, or it can be staples, a ruler, scissors, and a rectangular paper to start it off. So right now, I am tracing the ruler right here. Do it for the same for the other side. And then fold each side. Now take the paper and the long sides, cut the squares you will see. Now fold your sides like this. Wait for the glue to come. First, see how you want yours to go. Then put the glue on the plate. Let it dry for some time. Then it will look good. And same for the other side. Now we will have a top. Like you can see these squares, right? You don't know what to do with them. So glue them here. Now you will see these two are the only ones that are left. Do the same thing that you did for the front. Now you will have a box. You can really actually close it. If you don't have colored paper like me, use stickers or crayons to color your box, like these two. This one I colored stickers, and this one I colored it. Now I'm going to give my sister a present. In this box, my secret box is ready. Now, I'm going to give my present to my sister. My sister is sleeping. I'm going to wake her up.
Oh, so what is
Present.
this?
A present.
A president?
A present.
Okay. Is there a president inside?
No.
Okay, let's see here. I know this is paper. This color. Playtime, dear. Of course I will play with you. But how did you make this?